Divorce is often painful for everyone involved, but it can be the path to a better life. That's according to Jessica Bram. In her book, Happily Ever After Divorce, Notes of a Joyful Journey, she writes about life after leaving her 20 years of marriage behind. Jessica Bram, good to see you here with us this morning.
Good morning.
How difficult, 20 years that you spend a huge chunk of your life with someone, to come to that point where you know it's time to walk away. Why did you want to write about this personal journey?
When I looked back on all those years, I would say many, many years of those were not good years in terms of the marriage, and I was so terrified that divorce was going to be the end of the world, that it was just going to be a horrible thing to go through, and I swore never, and I will never subject my children to it. So when it finally happened, much to my surprise, I found out that the better life really lay after that, and I look back on all those years and I wished I had had the courage earlier to move on.
You're a first-time author, so clearly you were inspired to write this book. You talk about a better life. What things were better after you finally were able to leave that marriage?
Well, the surprises that came to me were I was terrified. I hadn't worked at a job, at a job for over 10 years. I had helped my husband in his business, and I started discovering my own talents and strengths. I started writing some stories for the local papers, and then I got an editorial job, and then I went on to be a radio commentator. I got to decide where I wanted to live, and we moved to another state, close enough to keep the kids to their father, but it got to be where I chose to be, and I discovered just wonderful times, traveling even by myself and spreading my things out and going, oh, there's no tension here. There's no one here looking over my shoulder. And there were wonderful discoveries like that.
And you found love along the way.
I did. I spent a lot of years really not that interested in dating, but even dating, when I, really had pulled myself together, became an adventure. And
this is a picture of your husband.
That's right.
You've now been married for how many years?
About a year. We're
newlyweds.
We're newlyweds, yes. It caused quite a splash when the author of Happily Ever After Divorce remarried, but I thought that was the point of the book, which is that happiness lies afterward.
Exactly.
And it's worth going through it.
Children, I'm a child of divorce, and it's often so incredibly hard on kids. How has it been for your 3 sons?
I think that's such an important question, because I'm a child of divorce too, and I learned from that. And we took great pains to be really protective of them, and even though their father and I were not all that unified on a lot of things, that we were unified on. And I think they turned out just fine and very comfortable with good relationships with both people, with both of us. And that is such an important message that I don't think people really get yet, is how careful they need to be to protect their children, and it can be done.
For people who are watching this morning and think, oh my gosh, I'm in that exact same situation, wanting to leave a marriage, what is the one thing that you would tell them to do?
To know that it's really, you can do it. You can do it, and that the strengths lie within yourselves. I remember being so terrified financially, that I wasn't going to make it on my own. And somebody once said to me, I said, I'm so afraid of my future. And he said, you are your future, Jessica. Your strengths, your talents.
And you're proving that. A first-time author with a successful book.
And remarried, and my children are doing well and thriving, and
so
I feel very glad.
Very good. So good to see you this morning. Thanks so much for sharing your advice to everyone out there this morning. Jessica Bram, Happily Ever After Divorce, Notes of a Joyful Journey. If you'd like to read the book, you can learn more information about where you can find it. Just go to our website, WTNH.com, and click on the Good Morning Connecticut section. We're going to